Hi there, this is episode 11 of the Crypto Assets for Passive Income mini video series. My name is Charlie. Using the concepts from our book Crypto Assets for Passive Income, we are able to grow our crypto portfolio from $29,000 to $127,000 in 7 months during the crypto bear period. To date, our crypto fund grew to about $400,000 in total value, with the recent rise in Bitcoin price that has broken its all-time high about a few days ago. It has also enabled us to yield farm for thousands of free crypto tokens with minimal risk, especially during the rise of DeFi space in the past few months. If you are new to cryptocurrency and have been wanting to find a way to get started or struggling to find a way to grow your crypto assets for capital gain and passive income, this video series is designed for you. The link to the entire video playlist is at the description box down below. In today's episode, I'll be going deeper into other advantages of crypto exchange tokens that are related to their policies which they implement. In the last episode, I went through one of the advantages, which is generating passive income and capital gain through crypto exchange tokens. Some crypto exchanges will incentivize their own token holders by sharing a portion of their revenue or profits by issuing dividends in the form of more of their exchange tokens. One form of passive income that I did not mention is that token holders can actually generate passive income by participating in initial exchange offerings or IEO, which is similar to initial coin offering ICO, except that it is listed through centralized exchanges and tends to hold more credibility as these exchanges will often vet through them. Example is Binance may periodically hold lottery draws to allow Binance token holders to participate and stand a chance to win tickets to purchase IEO project tokens at discounted prices, which often tends to shoot up in value on the first day of listing. Another form of passive income that some of these crypto exchanges provide is that they allow you to perform staking of tokens to yield farm for more tokens, or the option to put in a type of savings plan to earn more tokens in the exchange platform. This idea of passive income applies to both centralized crypto exchanges and the recently popular decentralized crypto exchanges. For more information on crypto passive income options, I will encourage you to do more in-depth research on crypto exchanges. I will provide some links down below to give you a head start. Before I move on to my next point, I want to share that the contents shared in this video are based on the book which we have written. The best part is that now, we are running a giveaway contest which the total prize value worth $345 consists of a copy of our physical book titled Crypto Assets for Passive Income, an online video course based on key important points from the book that is covered much more in depth compared to this mini video series, and $20 worth of Bitcoin. Yes, you heard that right, it is Bitcoin. A little something we hope that can get you started in the path to accumulate more crypto assets for yourself in the new year 2021. We are giving the prize to one lucky winner each week in celebration of the festive season. We will pick one winner and contact the winner through email. I will strongly encourage you to participate in the giveaway. Just go to the link in the description box down below to sign up and follow the instructions to share with as many like-minded crypto enthusiasts to increase your chances of winning. Okay, so let's get started on more new advantages of crypto exchange tokens. Liquidity matters, no matter which asset market you are in. In this case for crypto exchange tokens, since they are in demand and they do provide liquidity with other cryptocurrencies, token holders are able to buy or sell crypto exchange tokens with other cryptocurrencies, so it is just like any other currency with a store of value. In addition to that, exclusive events and airdrops for exchange token holders are also a thing, which certain exchanges will invite token holders to participate in certain activities to be able to obtain special invites to events, airdrops, and participate in contests to win token rewards, etc. One unique point about cryptocurrency, especially for some exchanges, is that they will periodically engage in token burn to remove some of their tokens from their circulating token supply. the exchange will buy back their crypto exchange tokens and send them to an unrecoverable wallet address to be destroyed. Token burn is publicly recorded and verifiable on the blockchain. Sometimes it can also be stored under a protection fund to guard against manipulative or fraudulent trading behavior and to compensate losses in case of emergency to victims of fraud. This removal act often results in a decrease in the supply that often leads to upward pressure in price due to increased demand for lesser token supply available. This indirectly allows crypto exchange holders to benefit in the value increase of their exchange tokens. Another point to note is that more exchanges are creating their own protocol, which will switch the protocol that their exchange tokens are currently hosted in, which is ERC20. A type of technical standard for token implementation under the Ethereum network. This change will result in more users and advantages for their exchange token, especially notably in the faster speed of transaction and lower transaction fees. With all these advantages that I've shared with you in the past few videos, there are definitely disadvantages as well, which we will be covering in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, leave a like and comment. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click the bell button next to it to be notified of new videos put out by us. Remember to check out the giveaway link in the description box below. The prize consists of a copy of our book, an online video course, and a $20 worth of Bitcoin. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.